If you're looking to buy or sell a home, you need to understand a key risk factor to be successful. Now, this is one of the few things that affects sellers and buyers equally. What happens if the property doesn't appraise? Now, this is if a buyer is purchasing a house, they're getting financing, the bank needs to say, hey, we agree on this price. Let's say a house is selling for $500,000. Well, the bank needs to say, we agree it's worth $500,000. But what if it appraises? What if an appraiser for the bank says it's only worth $490? What do we do? Well, one is, depending on how you wrote the offer, a buyer may have a protection or contingency that says, if it doesn't appraise, we can cancel. So you can always cancel. Two, well, if it appraises less, then we can agree to drop the price. The seller can lower the price. Well, what if it's a really strong market? The seller says, that's our price, take it or leave it. Well, a buyer may then be able to be out of pocket or find a way to work with the lender to make the loan terms work, and they may need to increase the price or increase their money out of pocket. Or how about a combination of the both, where we kind of meet in the middle? Now, who says that the appraisal is even correct? You can always do what's called appeal the appraisal. Now, please note, in my experience, an appeal almost never works. It is an option to explore, but very rarely will an appraiser actually change and say, oh wait, I was wrong, let me change this, even if they made an egregious error. And option number 6, the last option, is you can always get another appraisal, a second appraisal. That has a much higher chance of getting a different value than appealing, and you just need to figure out, well, who's gonna pay for that second appraisal? Is the buyer responsible? Is the seller? Hopefully having these 6 different options can help bulletproof, help protect your most important purchase or sale, and have you be more successful and make sure that you are happy in real estate. As a bonus note for appraisal concerns, especially in a highly competitive market where supply is low and demand is high, we're seeing a huge increase in either sellers asking for or buyers needing to include what's called an appraisal gap waiver. This is saying, hi sellers, we agree to pay this price, $1 million. And if it doesn't appraise, we'll still buy it. We won't ask for more money. We won't ask for less. So make sure you're working with your agent or you're an attorney to understand what protections you have. And you may either need to incorporate that to be more successful, or as a seller, you may need to ask for that in order to protect your bottom line.